everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back today with the 2-page layout. So I'm going to start with that diagonal stripe, which is the Doodlebug Petite Prince dot stripe in swimming pool, which I couldn't remember the last layout that you saw. And I'm going to add these photos in. So the story behind this is that in December of last year, M number 1 was baptized. He chose to be baptized. So that's what this is all about. Unfortunately, unfortunately, I was with my mom at the time. I planned to go, but my mom got sick, so I missed this. But my daughter-in-law sent all sorts of pictures, and, I was able to kind of see some of what was going on. But I wanted to make sure that this got documented in his book, because that's a really important thing. Really important step to take in your life. So that's what's going on here. Now, that little green piece that I have right there is called a tip-in. If you do Bible journaling, you actually kind of you can put it on the spine, you can put it in other places, and you can sort of glue it to the page. You can make like a little opening piece. I like to use them at the edge so that I can document. I haven't done Bible journaling in a while, but I still have kept my collection so that I can do that when artistically I want to get back into that. But anyway, so that's what that is. That tip-in is from Illustrated Faith, You Are Loved, and it's the tip-ins. The background paper that all this is going on with, all those circles, is from the Bella Boulevard Make Your Mark, and it's the real deal paper. So anything Bella Boulevard and Illustrated Faith is no longer available because it's not being made. Bella Boulevard made Illustrated Faith for a while. I'm not quite sure if she's still doing anything, just because I haven't needed any products. I have enough Bible journaling products to last me my entire lifetime, I'm pretty sure. So, but I liked that paper. I liked how it was, the black and white circles felt masculine because he's a boy, and it just was quieter, kind of. I wanted the photos to really stand out. And we read left to right, so then that big green block is going to draw your attention to, the photos of him after he was baptized. So I really like that, the background, how that works. There we go. That's what I wanted to say. All right. So then I'm adding in some more products here. I found those 2 tabs, and those are stickers from the Illustrated Faith She Knows sticker tabs, and they say Faith and Grow, just in case you can't see them. And then I'm using that collection right there of all those die cut speech bubbles. It's Illustrated Faith, the Basics paper pieces, and it's the Messages from God paper pieces. So then I also pulled these, that chipboard arrow. And that chipboard arrow is from the Bella Boulevard Chow Chip Symbols collection. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not sure why the camera did that. It's probably reacting. My camera's reacting to the light and dark there, so sorry about that, of some of the pieces. So I didn't see that until now. Then I added that other piece. So I have that other speech bubble. It is a speech bubble, but I'm tucking it behind. And so I added that to the top. So I'm bouncing the embellishment clusters from the top to the bottom, going left to right, and then ending with a much larger one. And that's a little bit out of frame here, so sorry about that. I'm apologizing a lot, this one. But that will emphasize and help pull away some of the attention from that really bright green. Happy are those who love the Lord. That piece, that tip-in piece. I started to say this and I didn't finish, but I did add that little asterisk, and that came from that same Chow Chip Symbols chipboard as well, too. And I'm like how that's looking. Okay. And my my glue decided to be a problem. So I got that kind of figured out as I'm doing this. Okay, so next then I have the, I'm adding these crosses, which came from the Illustrated Faith She Knows puffy stickers. And I'm adding those in. I'm just taking some in like the gray because I want to put some emphasis again on that, or not gray, navy, but it's almost a grayed out navy. Adding that in, and then some versions of aqua there as well. All right, so I have that all done. Next up, I still want to put a title on this. And I'm thinking I want it by that cluster on the right side. And by the way, you'll see this. I've got a, I have a photo of all of the clusters and that kind of stuff. So you'll be able to see them at the end. So you can see the full cluster there that I'm working with now. But I decided I wanted it to be small just because I thought design-wise it was better. And in this particular case, I thought it would keep all the emphasis on the photos. So I'm using the foam alpha from American Crafts Thickers. It's made by Paige Evans. It's her Happy Life collection. And I'm really liking how that looks there. All right, and that seems to be all done then. I did add a couple of word stickers on there that I forgot to tell you about. Those came from, or the one word sticker there on that tab. It says Believer. It's the Illustrated Faith Basics Words, and it's the cardstock sticker booklet. And there's the still shot coming up there, a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.